What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we have a pretty big package for you guys, so can't wait to see what this is. Alright, so came home, and I have this huge package. Obviously, I know it's something with MonsterJam. As you can hear, stuff like breaking around, moving around. So basically, I got this from my friend that works at Target. As you can tell how big the package is here, as I'm going to take, these are two 164 scale trucks I wrapped up. And yeah, this thing's pretty big. So I honestly have no clue what this could be. So this is all new to me here. He said I'm going to enjoy it. So, and he said I'm going to really like it. So I don't know what it really could be. It's from California. And as you can tell with the quality on this, he did not really wrap it that great. But, yeah, we're just going to tear this thing open and see what it is here. So, this is like Christmas morning here. Now, I'm kind of hoping it's like a gravedigger. Like the 5-pack. Hang on, let me get some scissors. Alright, we got some scissors. Make life a little easier. And these are actually kitchen scissors. As you guys can tell, I am in my kitchen. Just gonna cut that open. Oh man, what? Oh, dude. What? Dude, I only saw one picture of this thing. Is this the whole playset? I only saw one picture of this thing, and it was on MonsterJam OCD's Instagram story, I believe. Dude, are you kidding me? Wow, dude. Alright, this box is huge. Alright, that's pretty cool. Looks like the Fire Ice playset, guys. Looks like we got a gravedigger over here. This is a little damage right here, but that's minor. Wow, dude. Alright, guys, as you saw, the camera totally fell and broke the tripod, but that's alright. Here we go with this now. So, yeah, I totally lost my train of thought. But the Fire and Ice playset, as you guys can tell, this box is really, really damaged. I'm really not too concerned about it because obviously I don't keep the playsets like in the box because why would you do that? But here's the side of it. Now, I'm not too sure if all these trucks come with it or if it's the same set and it comes with a different truck. But I'm going to open it in my next video here. And yeah, this box is really damaged. But this thing is huge, dude. So I would say that's probably about the size as like the gravedigger box for the takedown set. As you see the top of it here, I'm gonna guess it comes with all 4 trucks. So if you guys don't have these trucks, I wonder if they're gonna be variants too. Definitely gonna open this pretty soon here. I just got home from work, so this is pretty cool. I was not expecting this at all. I was actually really expecting the gravedigger 5 set or 5-piece set because that does get released today. Today is actually October 1st, so I was kind of hoping for that. But my friend in Cali who works at Target, or actually no, I don't even know how he got this, thinking about it, because I'm pretty sure this is a Walmart exclusive. So I don't know if maybe he like jacked it from the truck. Yeah, I would guess this is a Walmart exclusive, right? Does it say Walmart anywhere? Yeah, it does. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. So yeah, as you guys see right there, where is it? There it is, the Walmart sticker. Only available at Walmart. So I wonder how he got it, dude. Unless, you know, well, then again, I do live in Jersey, and everything that gets released here is always about 2 to 3 weeks behind California. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This box is pretty heavy. It's kind of like the Gravedigger Takedown set. But we're going to crack this thing open. We're going to see what trucks. I'm thinking all 4 trucks come in this. I'm trying to look behind Gravedigger, but you really can't see anything. Oh, it doesn't have the flames wrapping around the headlights. Ah, I already noticing stuff. But, alright, yeah, that was a cool little mystery box I ended up getting. I saw this big thing on the porch, and I was like, wow, what is that? And he told me I had a surprise coming, and the only thing I really knew of was the Gravedigger 5-pack, and that does get released today, and I was really hoping he got it, you know, because he works at Target, and he would ship it overnight or whatever. But, yeah, this is a really big surprise. I'm kind of baffled how it's Walmart and he works at Target. But yeah, with that being said, guys, if you see this at Walmart's, I would pick it up. I'm going to do a review on it as soon as I get done finishing looking at the box that looks like it's pretty beat up. But that's okay. But, yeah, pretty cool. Like I said, I had no idea this set was coming out or anything like that. It's cool that SpinMaster put something like this together. Especially with these trucks, too, because we got, you know, 2 trucks from the Mix 2. Well, Fire Graves came out before. So, the Mix 2, Fire, Son-Uva Digger, and then you got Blue Thunder. And then you got Solar Fortune, and you got the Fire Grave Digger. I wonder if they fixed the headlights on that truck. But, yeah, we'll see that in the next video. This is pretty cool. Thank you so much for this, and I keep losing my train of thought because I just got off work. But, yeah, dude, really cool. Really cool. I cannot wait to open this. Was not expecting this 100%, and probably about a week ago, I didn't even know this existed until I saw, I think it was MonsterJam OCD's Instagram story, or he posted something like this, and that was the first time I saw it. I haven't even seen this on eBay yet, so, yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys find this, you know, pick it up. I mean, you can get 4 trucks if you don't have them right there, which by now, most of you probably have all 4 of those trucks. I kind of wish it came with an exclusive, but pretty cool with the Fire and Ice, with the cars and everything, and we're going to pop this thing open, and I'll see you guys in that video, which will be uploaded tomorrow, or next, very soon. So, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in that video.